Hey, what's up, guys? When you are using your computer, it suddenly shows restarting. The file you are editing can't save. If you have this problem with your computer, don't worry. This video will show you 3 ways to fix PC random restarts. Method 1. Turn off automatically restart. First, click on the Start option. Type in this PC. Right-click the This PC app option. Select Properties. On the Settings page, click Advanced System Settings. Click the Settings option under Startup and Recovery. Uncheck the Automatically Restart option. Click OK. The setup is complete. Use the computer for a while and check if it will randomly restart. Method 2. Update the Windows system. On the desktop, click on the Start option. Select Settings. Click the Update and Security option. Check for updated content. Click the Download button. Wait for the download to complete. Click Restart now to allow the PC to complete the repair. Method 3. Automated repair of PC restart. Click the link in the description to get PassFab Computer Management. Launch PassFab Computer Management. Click on Create Boot Disk now. Select the PC Windows system and insert the USB drive. Click Next and Continue. Wait for the boot disk creation to complete. Once created, view the subsequent detailed tutorial. On the desktop, click Start. Hold down the Shift key and click Restart. Select the Use a Device option. Click on the USB boot disk. Wait for the repair environment to load. In Computer Management, click Automated Repair. Select the system drive disk. Click Start Repair. Wait for the repair to complete and click Restart. Well, this is about how to fix PC random restarts. Click the link in the description to get PassFab Computer Management. If you have any questions during the process, please leave them in the comment section below. We will respond positively to your message and help you solve the problem. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the next video.